Got some engine mounts today. Gonna put on as many as we can. I'm probably not gonna do the back one. I tried just doing this one, that one, and that one. Start with the 10 millimeter. Got a 10 millimeter ground. Just knock that loose. It might move a little bit, not a big deal. I also want to mention, put a jack under the oil pan with a little block of wood on top of the jack so it doesn't hurt the oil pan, and jack it up so it's just touching and slightly pushing up on the oil pan, because when we take this off, the engine's going to be unstable this way. There are 3 17 millimeters you got to loosen up. There's 1. There's 2. And this one's iffy. You gotta drop your socket on it if you have a deep well from Harbor Freight. And attempt to knock that loose like I did previously. Or you can use a wrench on it. There, I got it. So knock that one loose. Knock this one loose. And this one. Alright, it's off. You can leave that bolt in there. I'm gonna put that to the side. Now we got a 14 millimeter that we're gonna take 3 bolts off. 1, 2, and 3 is right behind it in the corner. It's like a kind of a triangle pattern. Let me put you over here. It's the best way of getting at it. Alright. I'm gonna put this piece on the new mount. The side that's elevated is the side that goes right there. Alright, you literally just do everything reverse. Tighten these bolts up. Put the mount back on. Tighten those nuts. Put the ground cable back on, and you're good to go. Now let's move on to the next mount. Our next mount is going to be right below the exhaust manifold. And you don't have to do anything up here. All you gotta do is get that bolt 17 millimeter. There's gonna be another bolt in this area. I'll show you right there, snapshot. And there's gonna be one, focus. You can kind of see the outline of it down there. I'm gonna have to use a smaller 17 millimeter. There she goes. Here you go. This is the front mount, old mount. I'm gonna break this nut loose. If you are doing this at home and you're replacing this middle mount here, The way I got this bolt out with the nut on it holding this mount on is without an impact and just this wrench with a 17 on the bolt side, not the nut side. I pressed my knee up against the back end of the mount, pressed down on this, and pulled the ratchet towards me, and it knocked it loose. So now we can put the new mount on. I'm going to tighten it the opposite way that I did that, and then we'll throw it back on the car. Here's the old mount, and here's the new mount. So just going to put it on opposite way, or same way we took it off, just like that. Put the bolt through in the nut, tighten it up, same way took it off, and then we'll throw it on the car. I'm gonna take this air hose off. Just get it out of the way. And I gotta use this one as a wrench because it's locked up. Okay, so all the bottom ones are nuts, 17 millimeter. There's a 12 millimeter bolt in here that keeps this bracket from coming out, and that was the problem that I had. You just gotta be observant, make sure you have all the bolts off. Everything's good. I was trying to find my 10 millimeter for a while, but I found it. It was stuck in the jack, so that's good. I'm gonna start it up, let it idle for a little bit, and recreate the problem situation to see if it comes back. If it doesn't, have a good day, guys.